Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in today's video, what we are going to talk about is last time I just posted a video about my top 3 stock picks for the month of May, and it had received an overwhelming response, and people were talking about and they were asking me to analyze some penny stocks. So I thought in this video we'll see about my top 3 picks for the penny stocks. So let's get into our video. So, alright guys, so my top 3 penny stock picks. So the first one is the Brightcom Group. So that is my first pick for the penny stock. And why I have chosen this is because it has formed a inverted head and shoulder pattern, and already it has already broken it, and it just went down for a retracement. See, now this was just a retracement level around so we do have a retracement of 78.6% around that. So it just took a retracement at 78%, and now the market is trying to move up. So that is why I took. I'm suggesting, and I'm going to take a trade on this Brightcom Group. So I think this will be a good move for a long term, and if expected, minimum we can expect 12 rupees for the script. So that is my first pick for the penny stock. And the second one is it's Z Media Corporation. And you can see from this, the Z Media Corporation was trading inside a trend line, and you can make it as a symmetrical triangle as well for a long time. And now, see, whenever the market was trying to hit the trend line level, it took a support and it came down, and whenever it hit the lower support, it went up. So the resistance made the market to come down, and support made it to go up. And even the last week, we had a 28% upward movement in the stock, and it broke the symmetrical triangle. So if you're an aggressive trader, we can go for a buy over here. If you're a conservative trader, you can just wait for the market to come down around 7 rupees, and then we can go for a buy. So Z Media Corporation, my suggestion, I am going for a buy, and my expected targets will be around 13 rupees. Around 13 rupees will be my expected target. So I think that will be a huge amount of return if the market is able to move up to there. See, that will be around 90% of return. So even from here, it is around 63% on gain, capital gains. So I think that will be a very good script, and that is my second pick for Z Media Corporation. And the third penny stock one I'm going to choose is Surat Textile Mills. So why I'm choosing this is, as you can see, the market took a support here, and it made a double bottom, and it broke the neckline, and it started to move from a downtrend. It started an uptrend. And one more thing is, after an uptrend, it gave you a correction, and then again an uptrend started. So if you take the Fibonacci levels of this, the Fibonacci exactly came and matched at 61.8%. Now, after hitting your Fibonacci level, the market started to move up higher, and now the retracement has been done. We can see again a 61% of retracement has been done in Surat Textiles. So that is what I'm expecting the market to move higher, and the target which I'm expecting from this is 5 rupees 6, and finally I'm expecting a target of 8 rupees, and which is obviously the previous line of resistance where the market hit and it came down for a downtrend. So 8 to 9 rupees is my expected target for Surat Textiles. So even that could give a humongous return. So if it hits around 8 rupees, that will be around 120, 130%. So that is why I'm going for a buy in this stocks. So these are my top 3 stock picks in penny stocks. So the first one will be Brightcom Group, and the second one is Zemium Corp, and the third one will be Surat Textile. So these are my top 3 stock picks and for penny stocks. And one more information or an advice I want to give to all my subscribers is that don't get a panic because the market went down a little bit, or if the market doesn't move for a couple of days. because I read some comments where people started to ask me, sir, I have bought these stocks, but it's not yet moved for 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. See, these are stocks. So it's like an investment. You cannot expect it like an intraday trade or a swing trade. It takes its time. And for penny stocks, it takes a lot of time. So my idea is minimum it may take like 3 to 4 months to hit the targets, or even to give a movement, it may take a month. If it happens in next couple of days, that will be a very good thing. But if not, we have to wait. So that is my advice for all our subscribers. If you take a trade, just hold it for some time until the market starts to react to it, because we need volume in penny stocks. Only when volume comes and the market starts to move, so it will take its time. So don't get panic because the market went down or the market is not yet moving, because when the market in penny stock starts to move, it goes in a humongous way. So my suggestion is have patience in these markets, and we can hold it for like 3 to 4 months. That is my suggestion. All right. So these are my top three penny stock picks. All right, guys.
So, alright, guys, so this is my top three penny stock picks. And one more thing you have to keep in mind is, since this is penny stock, it doesn't move in a day or a month. It takes time. It may take around 2 to 3 months or 4 months as well. So we have to be patientful, and when it starts to move, it gives a huge amount of returns. So until the market starts to move, you have to wait for it. So this is for a little bit of long-term investment. So don't try to get a panic if the market doesn't move for 10 days. So penny stocks always moves at its right time. So wait for it and then get the profits from that. All right. So I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for tuning in. Take care.